We're excited to share with you today the restoration work happening at Cherry Hill Barn. The restoration work was originally done in 1976 and today houses a collection of 19th century farm tools. Right now we're restoring the northwest corner post of the barn. There has been some wood that's deteriorated on the lower half of the corner post in addition to the sill plate underneath the corner post. This barn was originally built by William Blaisdell from Massachusetts. He purchased the farmhouse and the 73 acres of land known as Cherry Hill Farm in 1856 for $4,000. The barn is used on Saturdays for young children to come and shell and grind corn for a $1 donation. We also use the barn for our summer concert and for our fall movie nights.
Restoration projects like this allow us to continue using the barn for community programs for many years to come.